I'm a mother of two lovely daughters, both of whom are on birth strike at the moment, which means they opt not to have children because of the climate crisis. But I'm speaking today, I'm using the words of a young climate activist that I'm really proud to have done actions alongside, who was unable to be here today. Miranda says, in the UK, we're one of the most nature depleted and deforested nations in Europe. Our urbanisation and loss of natural space has pushed our precious wildlife to the brink, as well as accelerating our vulnerability to climate disasters, especially flooding and the impacts of extreme heat. The call to expand an already large airport situated on a wetland and floodplain would remove more destruction of surrounding habitat, as well as almost doubling the amount of air pollution and fossil fuel emissions produced if Gatwick were to reach 100,000 flights a year. We have 144 airports in Britain, including some of the biggest and busiest in Europe. In a global crisis caused by the combustion of fossil fuels, surely we already have enough. You've heard from a range of citizens and experts who are deeply concerned about the expansion of Gatwick Airport for a range of reasons. Together, we all have ideas for a better, cleaner future that moves away from, not towards, fossil fuels and increased global heating. Can we not imagine a future where human and environmental health are priorities, and we strive towards the infrastructure that's needed for this? From whatever angle you look at it, the expansion of an already huge airport will not put human nor environmental health first. Globally, every increased emission and new fossil fuel project matters deeply, as beaches are washed away across Bangladesh, Togo, Jamaica and Ghana. Drought is devastating. Uganda, Somalia and Kenya. Our own nation is far from safe from fossil fuel climate change. The science cannot be clearer. We must limit our emissions now, and any call to increase them must be challenged. The children of today will experience a life completely unique to any generation before them. Each year of their life will now be impacted by the climate crisis, and to what degree of severity will depend on where they live, their family's economic stability, and most importantly, the decisions that you make now to better their future. We are at an extraordinary point in history where we have the chance to come together across regions, cultures and countries to put the future, our planet and our collective welfare first. I hope you will heed these calls for change and help create a huge part of the UK's journey away from fossil fuels. Thank you.